like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. We're glad to have you. You know, feel free to like and subscribe because I'd sure appreciate it. But anyhow, this is April's Allure. And I'm sorry, I'm late with all these. This is one of the ones I know the month's almost over, and so I'm going to put them up because I know there's some value in seeing what's in these boxes, even when they're late, so you know kind of what you'll get if you subscribe. And of course, I have a coupon code in the description, and I'll have all the prices in the description, and I usually put them on the screen too. And I do all the math, you know, so you know exactly what it was worth. Come on, open. You open it up. It looks like this. You pull back your tissue paper, and it looks like this. And here you go. And this one's looking pretty good. Okay. See if they got the prices in here. Yeah, they do. Sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't. So, at least I can. This one? Yeah. This is RODIAL PAPAYA Enzymes Vitamin C Scrub. Now, I like RODIAL, but it is. Yeah, maybe we'll get that paint off from the last one. Did you see how that went? That's the consistency. Just so you know. And I'm not going to bother to, oh nice, it's not coming off. Oh, it's, okay. Usually. But it does got scrubbies in it. And that's, you know, that's to clean your face. There, it came off. There, my marker came off. That was a paint marker. But I do like RODIAL. I really like the brand. Now this box, I think it's like $25. Does it say on here? No, of course they're just advertising other stuff. But I'll put on the screen how much it actually costs, because I would rather you have the right information. But yeah. Doesn't say. Does not say. Okay, so we have that. Put that over there in my pile. This is, what's the name of that? Oh, this is Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. Hold on. I'm checking to see if this is full size. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This is $50 for 70 milliliters. And this is a full size. This is 70 milliliters. Okay. But I was looking at the size of this, and I'm thinking, no, that's styling cream. That's not it. Here it is. And this is $27 for 200 milliliter. And we got 75 milliliter in a box, but that's a good amount for a sample, you know, for not being a full size. That's a good amount. And it doesn't smell, which sometimes the stuff that says truffle in it smells. I will say that. So I'll do the math on that and get you the value. Let's see what else we have. Is it this one? No. This one? Okay, it is free. Cherry Blossom Glow. Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream. Oh, I couldn't spit that out, could I? And you could have either gotten this or the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. So, we'll just look. And of course, this is sample size, and it's 15 milliliter. And 50 milliliters cost $28. We got 15, so. And I will do the math on that. Okay. That page is done. Okay. Then we have Sachajuan Styling Cream. Rake a generous dab through damp hair when styling or then style or air dry. It's $39 for 1.25 milliliter. And this is full size. So it's $39 for this. And you've already got the other thing that was $50. So you got $89 valued already. Without doing the math on those other two. Okay, then you got Beauty for Certain. PLAYA. PALAZZO. It's a rare to find eyeshadow palette without a single no-go shade, but 5 options that are all supremely wearable. They satisfy most uber natural makeup loving editors. And shimmery gold is great for bringing out sexy little sparkle in the eyes. And this is $39 for 8 ounces. And this is full size. I thought it was. Usually when they give me a palette, it's full size. And usually, there we go. And it's 4 neutral mattes. I'm sorry. Here, let's just do it this way. 4 neutral mattes. And then the gold's in the middle. Can you see here? Yeah. It's creamy. And I'll do the mattes and then I'll go to the gold. And like I always say, Allure is one box that I will keep even if I didn't have a channel. Because they have a higher quality makeup. See, there's the gold. It is not real. You know, even if I didn't have a channel, I would do Allure because the value's always there. And you get a little bit, a lot of times you get a little bit better name brands, you know, not necessarily better, but usually you get the higher price ones. Okay, and then the last thing is YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick in Beige, Bliss, Scenic Brown, Showcasing Nude, or Nude Pleasure. Those are your choices. And they're just going to, they make those, I believe we got to choose this one. But a lot of times they'll just make the choice for you. So let's see. I have one of these. This is pretty. This is what she looks like. I don't know if it's the same color I have. Ew. Better. Must have been something on my lips. Ooh, that's a little brighter than the other one. So at least I know I don't have the same color. I had it right here on the table a minute ago. Let's see if I can find it and compare them. Well, here it is. I found it. What color is this one? I don't know what color this one is. I can't read it. This is the other one I have. They're different. This is, you know, real glossy. This is more of a lipstick. I mean, it's got, but this will probably stay on longer than this. Because this really doesn't stay on much. I feel like I kind of went overboard there. But anyway, this one is $42 in value. So you know you've already got over $100 worth of value without me even doing the math. So, because you have, this is 42 and one of them was 50. Oh, this was 50. I don't remember what I said this was. This is about, I don't remember. But I'll put it all on the screen. Anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe. You know, do all the YouTube stuff. We'd love to have you. And I do all kinds of unboxings, not just makeup, but I do all kinds of unboxings. I'm trying to get where I can get good enough at editing to do other things also. So if I can just stay out of the hospital, it'd be great. But anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe. Bye.